Hello, my beautiful friends. So, we're definitely going to get back to the winter blues activities. Next one's going to be about arts and crafts, and tactile things. But before we do that, I was part of a meditation group today, one of my groups that I belong to, and we were asked to think about 3 lessons that we learned in 2024. And I thought, well, that's an awesome topic, so let's talk about it, because it kind of has come up in a few different places. So I thought, I actually sat and I thought about, what are the lessons that Spirit has taught me. So I'm hoping that that you've had a chance to reflect on your year, and if you want to put in the comments below the lessons that you've learned, I would love to see them. So you can put those right down below. So the first lesson that I learned is gratitude. I'm learning to be much more grateful for just the everyday things that are part of my life, like even the most mundane things, like being able to order pizza. That, like, you go on a website and you order a pizza and somebody brings it to your house. Like, how awesome is that? So gratitude really is everything. And when we're grateful, our vibration rises. And that's, so awesome. And I'm so grateful for all of you. When I started this channel actually years and years ago as a place to put videos for my students. And it's kind of come and gone. I just would post things when I needed to. And then when I started doing like unboxings and started talking about Celtic spirituality, I had a little following, and it was amazing. And many of those people are still here, and they are amazing. And then recently the channel has grown, and I am so, so grateful for each and every one of you. And I'm so thankful that you're here, and I know you're from all over the world, from all different cultures and all different spiritual traditions and practices, and I'm just so grateful for you. So thank you for being here. The second thing that I think that I really learned is how to let go. So, in our lifetime, depending on the, maybe ancestral trauma that you carry, or your past experiences or whatever, sometimes we put all that in our backpacks, in our spiritual backpacks, and we carry it around, and then we're lugging it up the mountain, and we have all this baggage. And through the spiritual work that I've done, excuse me, over the last few years, I've really learned how to let things go quicker and really truly let them go. Like, sometimes we'll say, well, I let that go, but then we kind of harp on it and think about it and all that. I don't do any of that. I just let it go, because some energy is just not yours to carry, right? Some energy belongs to other people, and, whatever they think of you or whatever, that's their energy. Let them carry it if they have to. I mean, I would hope that they wouldn't carry that, but in case they do, it's not your energy to carry, so you don't have to take it with you in your backpack. So I've learned how to let go, and I've learned that through like my spiritual sisters, who do a lot of different letting go, either spells, or they do letting go rituals. And during this cycle of the year, during the eightfold wheel, there are different places and times when we do letting go sort of rituals. And so that has really, really helped, because I can let things go a lot easier. I don't have to have the last word. I don't have to be right. Because people are going to think about you what they're going to think about you. They're going to ascribe to you things that you didn't do or didn't say. And you really can't help that. The only thing that you can help is yourself and how you respond and your energy. So you can live in the negativity, or you can live in the positivity. And I choose to live in the positivity. So that is something that I learned. And then I think finally I've learned, I've learned more than 3 things this past year, but the other big thing is really to value the things that are important to me. So the people in my life that I care about, I'm a loyal friend, and, when my friends need me, or they're struggling, or they're upset with me, I try to make sure that I take care of that. And so I value the people in my life. I value the things of my life, my home, and my job, and my children, and, my Jeep that, the window isn't working in. And, I just value all, and it's part of gratitude, but just valuing all the different components of my life, and wanting to protect and preserve the things that are important to me. Like, it is really important for me to have journal time every day. So as busy as I am, sometimes I get so distracted that I don't have time. I have carved out time I make time for it. I move other things because that's something that's valuable and important to me. It's my journal time, my reflection, and meditation time. So, really sort of prioritizing the things in my life. So those are the 3 things that came up for me when we were talking today. What are your 3 things? I would love to hear about them. I am wishing you all the very best in light and love. Be well. Take care. Bye-bye.